You already saw me, I think.
No. Hello, Koshal.
Hello, Fatima. You saw my
Hello.
video
Nice to
actually.
meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
See what I cook? This is porridge.
What is that?
This is porridge. Porridge.
Porridge.
Porridge. In Arabic, they call madruba. Madruba.
Madaraba. Can you cook for me?
Hey, of course, I know.
You're very beautiful.
Huh?
You're very beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Thank you so much. You are so handsome, so MashaAllah.
Thank you. You are so beautiful, no doubt.
Thank you so much. Hey,
Where are you
like
going?
it's see, I'm in the bedroom. What is this? I make bed, making bed, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is me.
I didn't
Yeah.
see you. Just go in front of camera.
Yeah.
I didn't see you go. Come on.
Really? You know, I'm fatty. I'm fatty, and my body is fatty.
No. I am not judging her. Trust me.
See,
Wow.
I'm so fatty.
You're short girl. How tall are you?
Me, I'm so short.
How tall are you?
Uh, you know, maybe a 150.
150? Really?
Huh? Eee.
Yeah, I like short girl.
Yeah, I'm short.
So do you like tall boy?
Huh? Yes, of course. I like because I'm short.
What?
So people they are can like what they are don't have, right?
Exactly. I agree with you. So I ask same question another girl. Why girls like tall boy? Why you like tall boy?
Because and then what they said they
No,
said
first you can tell me, then I will explain you what she said.
um, for me why I like a tall man because I'm so short. So I need a tall man.
But why?
I don't like a short man
But why?
because I don't know. I said I tell you because we are like what we don't have.
Yeah, but you know what she said? Last video I talked with one
Well,
girl. She said,
okay.
I like tall boy because he can protect me, not me. I can protect him. He can protect me. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, this is also a thing. But for me, why I like ramen because I like what I don't want. Like I like men who have a big nose because I have small nose. Yeah.
So you like something else big also, or only nose?
Oh, sorry. What do you mean? I like big eyes also. I like big eyes,
Uh-huh.
big nose,
And what else?
tall body. That's all. what you what you mean? Astaghfirullah. So, which place you live in India? I'm forget.
I live Jammu, Jammu Kashmir.
Jumu?
Jammu, yes.
Jumu.
Yes, that is Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.